so you can use your Roblox support ticket. Now you can use Roblox support ticket to just complain about stuff, or if you want to get something fixed on your account. Now, before I teach you guys how to use it, if you're new to our channel, just head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Now, let us start. So what you first need to do is open a web browser and search for roblox.com and just type in /support. Now, after you type in this, this page should load up right here. Now, from here, you can contact Roblox's support team. And now what you need to do is just type in your first name, your email address. You need to confirm your email address and just choose what the issue is. Now, as you can see right here, I can choose my device on which I'm facing the problem on, and I can just choose a category that I need my help with. Now here you can see I can report a bug, I can just exploit report, I can just ask for how-tos, I can just purchase using Roblox, and so much more. And I'm just gonna choose one, and I can just describe the issue right here and tap on continue, and this will create a Roblox support ticket, and your problem should get fixed after some time, and Roblox will get back to you. So it's that simple, guys. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye.